So good day, sir. So this is Angelo Sipal Palatok from BSCPE 31. So this is my reflection to the case for the final. So the case is, what is case all about? So the case GR 247348 revolves around the conviction of Christian Cadahas for violating Republic Act number 9775, also known as Anti-Child Pornography Act. The Supreme Court upheld Cadahas' conviction, ruling that messages and photos retrieved from Facebook Messenger were admissible as evidence despite his claim of privacy violation. So, ayun po. So, what are the facts of the case? So, in April 2016, Cadahas started romantic relationship with AAA, which is the victim na bata po, and a 14 years old. They communicated through Facebook Messenger, which AAA access through her mother, BB mobile phone. Discovered their conversation when AAA forgot to log out of her Facebook account. So, hindi po na-log out ni Binibin ng bata yung kanyang account sa Facebook, sa cellphone po ng mama niya. So, nabasa po yung conversation po ni Cadahas. And then, revealing messages from Cadahas persuading AAA to send him sensitive photos. Although AAA deleted the conversation, BB forced her to access Cadahas' Facebook account, retrieving the incriminating messages. So, yun po. So, si Cadahas po, yung 24-year-old na lalaki na nagtatrabaho sa kantin is pinaforce niya po si victim na bata po na isend po yung mga masaselang parte po ng katawan niya. And then, even doon na na-delete po yun is pina-retrieve po yun or pinabalik po yun nung mama niya para masampahan po ng kaso si Mr. Cadahas. And then, number 3. What are the issues on this case? So, the primary issue was whether the message and photos obtained from Cadahas' Facebook Messenger account accessed by AAA under BB's coercion were admissible as evidence. Cadahas argued that this evidence violated his right to privacy. So, ang nirereklamo po ni Cadahas, which is, diba, nireklamo siyang nag-child pornography, and then, nirereklamo niya din yung pwede bang gamitin na ebidensya yung pag-i-snitch o yung pagbukas ng account ng nanay niya, ng nanay ng biktima sa kanyang anak, at i-snitch yung privacy nilang dalawa ng kanyang bataan, which is malalaman natin yung sagot. So, ayun. What is the ruling of the Supreme Court? So, the Supreme Court ruled that the message and photos obtained were admissible. The court emphasized that the right to privacy under Bill of Rights protects citizens from government intrusions and does not apply to private individuals. So, hindi nag-apply yun sa kanilang mag-ina, private individuals. So, since Cadahas voluntarily gave AAA access to his account, he lost any reasonable expectation of requiring proof of criminal intent, which was established in this case. Cadahas was sentenced to reclusion perpetual and fined 1 million pesos. So, ayun, nagamit po yung ebidensya, which is hindi naman po hindi po, posible pong gamitin yung na ebidensya kasi since na usang binigay naman po nung anak yung account niya, nung pinutusan niya yung anak niya na ibigay yung account sa kanya. So, in that way po is pinagbigyan niya ng permission na pakialaman mo yung privacy ko bilang anak mo. Ganun. So, number 5, what are your takeaways, learnings from this case? So, admissibility of digital evidence. The ruling underscored that the digital evidence obtained by private individuals can be admissible in court, even if obtained under coercion, provided there was a voluntary. So, ayun nga, pag voluntary po, admissive na binigay is pwede gamitin na ebidensya. Pero kung hindi yon voluntarily, so hindi po pwede. Labag po yun sa RA 10175. So, privacy expectation. When a person shares access to their digital accounts, they relinquish a reasonable expectation of privacy over contents, making them accessible to others. So yun nga po. Pag share mo yung account mo, expect na mapapasok na po yung privacy mo. So, huwag niyo pong i-share yung account niyo. So, child protection. The case highlights the serious consequences of exploitation minors, referring distinct measures and severe penalties under the anti-child pornography. So, highlight din po dito yung child pornography, which is bata pa nga naman po. Si pinipilit na mag-send. Legal interpretations. It illustrates how the courts intersection of privacy rights and admissibility of evidence, especially in case involving moral and criminal offense. Ayun po, sir. Thank you.